Hey there, welcome to this channel where medical topics are made easy. So let's get straight into it. Did you know that the average daily carb intake worldwide is over 250 grams? And how your body processes them can decide if they are a healthy fuel or a health risk? In this documentary, we'll explore the essential role of carbohydrates in our diet and how they impact digestion, fiber intake, and gut health. Understanding this is key to making smarter food choices. Let's start by asking a simple yet profound question. Can carbs be both the star player and the villain of our diet? The answer is yes, and it's all about how we use them. Imagine carbs as a group of athletes, each ready to score a different goal for our bodies. Our team has speedy sprinters for instant energy, power lifters for long-term fuel, and even builders who help repair and grow tissues. But just like any team, it's not about the players, it's about how they play. Some of our carb-carrying athletes may be refined and stripped of nutrients, leaving us with empty calories and health risks. Others are complex and packed with fiber, offering sustained energy and gut health benefits. So what are these carb athletes, and how can we best utilize them for our gut health? Let's find out. First up, we have our sprinting sugars, the simple carbs. These are the quickest to break down, providing almost immediate energy. Think of them as the sprinters of the carb team. Glucose, the primary energy currency of our cells, is a simple carb. However, not all simple carbs are created equal. One sprinter might bring home the gold medal, while another could trip and fall at the first hurdle. Similarly, some simple carbs like glucose are crucial for our bodies, while others, like added sugars, contribute little to our health. It's important to remember that our gut bacteria also feed on these carbs. And just like training our sprint team, we want to ensure we're feeding the right bacteria to keep our gut in tip-top shape. Now let's turn our attention to our long-distance runners, the complex carbohydrates. These are the endurance athletes of the carb world, providing sustained energy and packed with essential nutrients. Unlike simple carbs, complex carbs take longer to break down thanks to their intricate molecular structure. This means they provide a slower, steadier release of energy, perfect for our brains and muscles needing consistent fuel. Plus, many complex carbs are rich in dietary fiber, a complex carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. Fiber has many benefits, from aiding digestion to helping maintain a healthy weight. Fiber acts like a sponge, absorbing water and adding bulk to our stools, which helps keep things moving smoothly through our digestive system. This not only prevents constipation, but also reduces the risk of diverticulitis and hemorrhoids. It also feeds our beneficial gut bacteria, keeping our gut microbiome thriving. A diverse and healthy gut microbiome is associated with improved digestion, stronger immune system, and even better mental health. Our bodies, much like our favorite sports teams, need a variety of nutrients to perform at their best. While carbs play a crucial role, they aren't the only players in the game. Protein and fats also have essential roles to play. Protein helps build and repair tissues, and fats provide insulation and hormone production. The key is balance. Just as a balanced diet is essential for our physical health, so is a varied and balanced approach to carbohydrates. By understanding the different types of carbs and their effects on our bodies, we can make informed choices that support our overall well-being. This includes not only the types of carbs we consume, but also the quantities and how they are prepared. For example, pairing carbs with protein and healthy fats can help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. However, despite their importance, carbs often find themselves in the center of controversy. Remember our earlier analogy of the carb team? Well, there are times when some members of this team get more attention than others. Let's talk about the challenges and conflicts surrounding carbs. Over the years, dietary guidelines have swung like a pendulum. Sometimes carbs have been celebrated as a primary energy source, and at other times, they've been demonized as the root of all dietary evils. This shift in perspective is like giving different players on our team wildly varying levels of importance, or even blaming them for the team's losses, regardless of their effort. But why do carbs get such mixed reviews? Well, part of the confusion stems from the way carbs are categorized. We often hear about good carbs and bad carbs, which isn't very helpful. What does that really mean? Good carbs are usually complex carbs with high fiber content, like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Bad carbs, on the other hand, often refer to simple carbs, especially when they come in the form of added sugars. These are the refined carbs that do not have much nutritional value and can contribute to health problems. When consumed in excess, this categorization creates a false dichotomy. It's making it seem like all carbs are the same when the truth is they are as diverse as our gut microbiome itself. So how did we get to this point of carb confusion? Well, the rise of ultra-processed foods has played a significant role. These are the foods that have been stripped of their nutritional value and loaded with unhealthy ingredients. And guess what? Many of them are carb-heavy. Fast food, sugary drinks, and processed snacks have infiltrated our pantries and tempted our taste buds. And it's no wonder given that they're often cheaper, more convenient, and more palatable than healthier alternatives. But this trend has consequences. As we replace whole unprocessed carbs with ultra-processed ones, we're also replacing essential nutrients with empty calories and unnecessary additives. Let's delve a bit deeper into the science behind this problem. When we eat, our body breaks down the carbs we consume into smaller components like glucose. This glucose is then absorbed into our bloodstream, causing our blood sugar levels to rise. Normally, this increase is met with insulin, a hormone that helps cells absorb the glucose, thus lowering blood sugar levels. But when we're constantly bombarding our bodies with processed carbs, a few interesting things happen. Firstly, because these carbs lack fiber and nutrients, our bodies process them quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Secondly, over time, our bodies can become less sensitive to insulin, leading to higher levels of insulin in the bloodstream. This insulin resistance makes it harder for cells to absorb glucose, further increasing blood sugar levels. This cycle can lead to various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. By now, you might be wondering, why do carbs matter so much for our gut health? Well, our gut, with its trillions of bacteria, is hugely impacted by the kind of fuel we provide. In this case, the carbs we eat. Different types of gut bacteria thrive on different types of carbs. For example, some love fiber, while others prefer simple sugars. When we introduce ultra-processed carbs into the mix, we're essentially feeding the wrong bacteria, leading to an imbalance in our gut microbiome. This imbalance can lead to a range of digestive issues, from bloating and diarrhea to irritable bowel syndrome, and even inflammatory bowel disease. Okay, so now that we know the issue, let's discuss the solution. Rather than demonizing all carbs or blindly following every new diet trend, let's focus on making smart choices. First and foremost, prioritize complex fiber-rich carbs. These are your long-distance running carbs, providing both energy and essential nutrients. Think whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These carbs are digested more slowly, providing steady energy and promoting gut health. Second, pair your carbs with protein and healthy fats. This strategy helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeps you fuller for longer, and ensures you're getting a balanced mix of nutrients. This is similar to having your team members cover each other's weaknesses, creating a well-rounded performance. Finally, rotate your sources of carbs. Just as our gut bacteria need a variety of nutrients, they also need a diverse range of carbs. Eating a variety of complex carbs ensures that we are providing the necessary fuel for all of our gut bacteria, promoting a healthy and balanced microbiome. All right, challenge accepted. Check your knowledge. How many types of carbs did we cover in this video? Simple carbs and complex carbs. That's right, got it. Now check your understanding. Which type of carb is known to cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels? Ultra-processed carbs. Absolutely correct. Keep up the good work. And finally, what is one way to improve gut health? Prioritizing complex, fiber-rich carbs? You're on a roll. Keep it up, wrapping up this enlightening journey into the world of carbs. We hope you've learned that carbohydrates aren't the enemy we've made them out to be.
No.
Instead, they're an essential part of our diet, providing energy and nourishment for our bodies. By understanding the nuances between simple and complex carbs, we can make informed choices that benefit not only our waistlines, but also our gut health and overall well-being. Remember, it's not about eliminating carbs, but about choosing the right ones and understanding how they fuel our bodies. So the next time you sit down to a meal, appreciate the role carbs play and choose wisely to keep your gut happy and healthy. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content. Your support means the world to us. And if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining us. Till next time, stay curious, stay healthy.